Well, hello friends. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Lindsay, for those of you new to my channel. And today I'm going to share tips on how to hide a belly. I don't know if you can see my belly in this frame, but I'm grabbing it. So I wanted to share these little tips, tricks, and hacks with you guys because me personally, I gained my weight in my stomach area, so I am the expert at concealing, minimizing, and hiding a belly. And I think that these tips, for those of you out there who have this issue, are going to be really helpful, and I'm excited to share them with you. Before we get into the video, if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, I show my life in stories and in outfits, of course. My handle is right there, and all right, let's get to the tips. My first tip is to go for tops and dresses that have 2-ply panels across the front. I know it sounds very technical, but this is what I mean. I'm wearing an example. So for instance, this dress has a panel in front. You can see it right here. And when you feel the fabric, there are 2 layers of fabric in the front, just in this panel. And why I like articles of clothing with this little detail is because it adds an extra layer to kind of weight down and kind of smooth out the belly area. Whereas, you know, if you have issues with the belly, you know, my ladies out there, you don't like to wear little clingy fabric around because it feels like it's just attaching to the bells and the love handles. Whereas if you have this little panel in the front, which is really just, you know, a design element to what you're wearing, then you kind of add that extra kind of security to kind of smooth out a little bit because you have this kind of 2-ply panel in the front. I don't know if this sounds like fashion science, but this is just the things that I look for when I'm shopping because I feel like they work and they make me feel more secure in my outfits. Okay, so I don't know if you guys are like me, but the last thing I want to wear if I'm feeling bloated is jeans. Like the last thing. All I want to wear are muumuu, flowy dresses. Anything that doesn't touch the belly area is what I want to wear when I'm feeling bloated. But, and I've talked about this before, Madewell jeans, I don't know what they do, they always feel good no matter what. I don't know what it is. Even after I've gone on a bender weekend where I've had, you know, maybe too many cocktails, maybe some late night nachos, even after a weekend like that, I know that I can put these jeans on and I will feel good. They have the perfect amount of stretch. They're also like this mid to high rise, so I feel like they hug you and pull you in rather than cutting you off and creating that spillage over the top. And they're comfortable and flattering, and I just feel that they're perfect for girls, you know, who have a little bit of the bells and the love handles, and I just can't say enough about them. I wear them, I probably have about 6 pairs of them. My next tip is just a super simple, anyone can do it outfit tweak. It is as simple as knotting the front of your button-up shirt. Yep, I know, I'm genius. I can't believe I thought of that one. No, but I'm serious. When I was sitting back thinking of like what I do when I wanna like conceal the belly area or whatnot, it truly is knotting the front of my shirt. It just kind of distracts a little from the belly for me. It just adds a little bit of coverage. Now, I think it's important if you're really not trying to, you know, attract that area, that your shirt is, you know, looser. We're not talking about super tight, you know, button-up shirts and then you knot it. This is like more that slouchy, effortless, like kind of boyfriend style shirt that you just, you know, casually knot at the front, you know, just as a style nuance. Oh, and you know what's also great about knotting your shirt? When you sit down, it kind of covers up like a roll or a bulge. Yes, that's another great reason to knot your shirt. It kind of covers it all up. So let's talk about wrap skirts and how perfect they are to concealing a belly, but not just any wrap skirt. It has to be a wrapped skirt that has a little bit of ruching at the top, right by where the tie is. Now, I'm gonna include a few similar styles in the description below, so I've done the work for you guys. But why I love this, and this is also a play on that 2-ply thing, because you have that 1 layer of fabric in the front, and that's the one that really hugs you, and then it's the wrap, that second second layer, it's like that second layer magic that kind of distracts and kind of grazes instead of hugs. So what I love about this skirt specifically is it has these little pleats and gathers, so it creates this movement and fluidity in the skirt, ultimately distracting from your belly concerns or your figure concerns. That's what it does. Oh, and I'm just looking down and I have a little lint on my shirt, so sorry about that, guys. So those are my tips to minimizing your midsection. Those are the things that I'm using now and I will through the summer and through the years, actually. So I would love to hear what you guys thought. If you found them helpful, please let me know. And also maybe you have a trick or two to share with me. Please let me know in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you're new to my channel, tap that subscribe button. And if you're old, you guys are the best for sticking around this long. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you next Saturday.